Hey, online business owners, are your products showing up on Google Shopping? If not, you're missing out on thousands of potential customers actively searching for what you sell. Picture this. Someone Googles a product and your listing shows up right at the top. No ads, just visibility. That's what Google Shopping does, and we'll set it all up for just $499 with our one-time setup package. Here's what's included. Google Merchant Center, setup product feed, creation and optimization. Up to 20 products listed and optimized, smart category and tag setup. Policy, compliance checks. Integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, and more. Issue, troubleshooting, and fast support. Google Analytics and tracking setup. No tech skills needed, we handle everything. You just get more traffic, more visibility, and more sales. And remember, it's a one-time fee. Your listings stay live on Google's free shopping tab. Click the link to get started. Your competitors are already there. It's time for your business to be seen. More visibility, more customers, more sales. Let's make it happen. Questions? Email admin@boostkings.com.au or call +61 48 92 642 2.